Someone has rightly said, a healthy mind rests only in a sound body, and a sound body needs grooming. Inspired by this beautiful thought, there's an amazing poem prescribed in your English literature book. So, welcome back to all my lovely learners. It's time for me to create the same magical learning one more time with all of you on your own YouTube channel, Teacher with Wings. Hope to see a lot of love and support one more time. So, what are we waiting for? Let's dive into the poetic world of Frank Ash. If you like my content, consider subscribing to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you and I would always be connected for all such amazing contents in future as well. Without taking any more time, let me now take you directly to the poem. Preening by Frank Ash. Students, it's important for all of you to learn the names of the poets and the authors if it is given in your book, because a lot of the 1-mark questions are made from here only. So, before I begin with the poem, I'm repeating it once again. The poet of this poem is Frank Ash. Look at this beautiful little bird. Isn't she looking very happy after preening? Let's read more about it. Preening every day. What a chore! Wing up, leg down, tuck, twist and stretch. You must be wondering, what is the meaning of the word preening? Well, preening means the process by which birds can maintain their hygiene. Or, if I have to go by the book, it means how birds clean and make themselves look good. At the same time, ma'am, you didn't tell me what's the meaning of the word chore. Students, the meaning of the word chore is daily activities that are a part of your routine. So, preening every day, what a chore. Preening for birds is a daily activity. And how do they preen? By taking their wings up, legs out, tuck, twist and stretch. Tuck means push and turn. Preening every day. What a bore. Wing down, leg in, bend, reach and nibble. Now, preening every day is not a very entertaining idea, right? Because sometimes even we get bored of doing the same thing. Again and again maintaining the same health and hygiene routine sometimes bores even the human beings. But still, these birds are doing it. And how are they doing it? By getting a little bored sometime. They put their wings down, fold their legs in, bend, reach and nibble. Preening every day is the price we pay to crouch, spring and soar. Now, what do you think? What is the mood of the birds at this point of time? Obviously, you can tell me that by simply commenting in the comment box. Even though preening takes a lot of time and efforts, and sometimes the birds even get tired and bored of doing the same, but they are happy because by preening they get the freedom of flying easily from one place to the other. This indeed is a delight for them, for which they say, flying day and night, what a delight. Now, before I end up the poem, I would again like to take you and give you some of the pairs of rhyming words. Some of them would be given by me over here, while some of them you can find yourself and simply comment in the comment box. Like, if I have to go from the last part, the rhyming words would be day and pay, night and delight. These are the two pairs that I am giving to you. But there are surely so many more which you can find yourself as well. What are you waiting for? Come on, find these words and tell me in the comment box. I'll be back very soon with another chapter that will add magic to your regular teaching and learning process. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and stay absolutely calm because everything is going to get over very soon. And we will be back in our schools with the same amount of energy. Bye for now.